Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in California. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser. In the top, there's this address bar. Type down scscourt.org and enter it. And once inside this homepage, in the top, there's this online services. Select there. And from here, you need to go to this traffic tickets. And from here, scroll a bit down here. And over here, you can find the e-payments for the traffic tickets online. You need to select this access the e-payment website in the top. And from here, scroll a bit down here. So what you need to do is you can simply look up your case using your case number, driver license, or citation number. You can select any of this above. And after that, what you need to do is type down the number. And for the security purposes, you also need to type down your date of birth and select this search. And after that, you can proceed to it and pay the amount due. And after that, you can save your confirmation, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.